going, YouTube? Back again. A little update video from my last one. And as y'all know, gold took a plump. I believe when I made the calls, it was up in this area. And y'all see what happened, right? It's no it's or buts about it. If y'all are in my Discord, you'll understand what a double top is. Um, it's very handy. Let me see if I can get this. This right here was the all out be all right here, right? So much has happened within this that it's not even funny, right? So as y'all know, price could not break above about 4400. It could not, right? And it took the dump, came all the way through, and it's been consolidating around this price range right here, which is another green light for us, right? Um, yeah. So what are we looking at, and what's the deal with what's going on with gold right now, right? So since my last video, there has been two main meetings and agreements that has happened. As I tell y'all, the news makes a difference, right? Especially when you're trading gold. Okay. What has happened since then? We have met with I believe South Korea. Then we also met with Japan. Okay. What does that mean? Both came to agreements, both are investing into the US economy, and both are becoming partners on another level with us. Why is that a good thing? One, investments. Two, we have a lot more security, I guess you could say, with other countries, benefiting from this too. And then three, it means that our relationship long term is going to help the price of gold come downwards, right? Also, not to mention that we also had agreements with China. Went smoothly. This coming week, they're looking to make this official. What does that mean? That means farmers will be, getting back their money. The soybeans will be purchased. Millions and millions will be purchased. We will be getting new minerals and resources from China, getting access to GPUs and stuff. They'll be buying jets. I mean, there's so much good that's coming out of these meetings that is getting overlooked, and all the money is getting made, right? So, what does this mean for us as traders, right? This means that we have a. This means that we have a lot more direction to go based off of, right? Unless stuff does not go well this upcoming week with China, expect this price to keep on coming down. It dropped, right? Um, I do expect a rebound a little bit. I do expect this a little more upwards. I'm not saying it's gonna happen right here, but what I'm saying is that it has to come back to get fresh air, I guess you could say, come back up before it goes down, right? So this is what I'm looking for uh to happen. But after the price comes up and then it rebounds in a sense, this just I just what I think it's just gonna keep on coming down. So why does this matter, right? Because understanding that what these deals are doing to the economy benefits everybody, especially traders, right? It means the economy is getting better, deals are getting worked out, etc., right? So, with that being said, look for look for a hard sell-off from prop firms, and then look for a hard entry on the short. That's what I'm gonna keep my eyes on. Y'all do you. Invest at your own risk. But with that all being said, I do expect this to come down a lot more. I mean, look, we done touched 3,800, right? So, like I said, if everything goes well, I expect this to keep on coming down. Get in where you fit in. And yeah, that's my little prediction for, what's coming up this coming week. Also, my next video is going to be about the cryptos that I'm looking at, what I'm invested into. Again, invest at your own risk. And these are going to be some of the long-term plays that I'm doing and why it will benefit the economy, if that makes sense, or why it will fit in the whole system. So with that being said, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Short little video, keep it nice and smooth. The Discord will be up. It's up. It's running. For the Patreon and stuff, I will drop the price in the description below. I'm gonna drop it down there. Y'all come and join. I have, legit traders in there. You know what I'm saying? No gimmicks, no games. And just come learn, come, you know what I'm saying? Come make some money. Come on, just come make some money. Get yourself right. We're gonna get you right. I got everything in there that you need to learn, and that will help you set up to make this stuff happen. With all that being said, follow me on all platforms. Share, like, comment. And let's get this new week rolling, y'all. Let's get some money.